I've been dying to have you on the show more than anything else. Sa Twitter pa lang. Twitter lang ang daming mga nagre-request for you to be on this show, and finally you're here. I'm so happy to have you. We're talking about the forbidden things in the life of Sarah Geronimo. One of which, of course, is her health. We talked earlier before the commercial break. She can't have those sweet foods. Has to be organic so she can remain the pop star princess that she is, healthy for you. But I want to talk about things that siguro you never really talked about that much, like your siblings, your family. I know you work for them as much as you are for your fans, but sobra kang dedicated sa family mo. Give us a little history of your brothers and sisters.
Tatlo po kaming babae. Tapos, bunso namin, yung only boy namin. So, yun, mahihain sila. Sobrang mahihain. Sobrang opposite kami. Ako yung talagang bata pa lang, makapal na yung mukha ko. Sorry, walang hiya na ako bata pa lang. Ngayon na lang, talagang sobra yung hiya ko. Pero pagdating sa stage, doon ako nawawala lahat ng inhibitions ko po.
Ano mga talents nila?
Sila, yung dalawa ko pong ate, graduate sila pareho ng HRM. So, yun, mas cooking sila. Yung ate ko nag-aral abroad, ng pastry art. Tapos, yung bunso, yun, into, arts.
Animation, di ba?
Animation. Ako. Mahilig siya doon, anime.
At mahilig din siya sa mga Japanese na action figures. I have a boy just like that, my son Ram. He loves those. That's why na-relate ako dyan sa mga, lalo na sa mga animated cartoons and films. Does he see himself like making an animated cartoon ni Sarah Geronimo, the pop star princess? You know, why not? A fantasy type. Has he ever drawn anything for you? Album cover mo? Or, no, wala?
Wala pa naman po.
Not yet?
Wala pa. Not yet.
Mommy Divine.
Gab.
New idea. Now, in the case of the things that you do, everybody thinks that Sarah Geronimo lives in a castle. Somewhere far, far away.
Wow.
In an animated, colorful world. Someplace in Fantasyland. In Disneyland, in Fantasyland, you will find the house of Sarah Geronimo. That's how we see you. In fact, there's a place in this land where they have a magical fruit. And in this magical, because they have organic farms, right? You have, in their house, they have a mini zoo. It's such a beautiful micro mini zoo with animals galore. And tell us about it. You have animals and organic vegetables. So you grow the animals and you raise the vegetables, or you raise the vegetables and you... Anyway, how does it work? How does it work in your land?
In our land. Hindi naman po kami, wow. Ano lang, simpleng bahay lang po. Spacious lang, syempre, dahil dati, medyo siksikan. Ngayon, mas nakaluwag na kami. Mas maginhawa po yung buhay ngayon. Tapos yun nga, ever since, si Daddy, sobrang mahilig na talaga sa animals, lalo sa mga dogs. So, yun.
Sa birds, sa ibon din, di ba?
Sa birds din.
Your father sold me a bird.
Ay, talaga ba?
Half off because only one wing. So, pag nahabang kong lumilipad yung ano,
Ganon.
What a cute bird. A half-breed. Anyway, thank you. And also, as well, how do you grow organic? Isn't anything you grow organic already? I mean, how do you grow organic food?
Ewan ko po si Mami, may mga tanim siya doon ng mga vegetables, mayroong sili, may mga... ano ba bang mga gulay mo doon, Mami? So, meron pa kami baboy damo doon.
Totoo?
Oo.
Seriously?
Ako yun, mga native na chicken, free-range chicken. Yeah,
wow!
Native.
And a lot of cherries. What is this magical fruit? There's a fruit... Is there a song like that? The magic fruit or something? Anyway, there's a magical fruit in your fantasy land. By the way, their house, if you don't know what it is, the actual house is under the house that you see. The house goes up with an elevator, and the real house is right there, shooting gallery and all. What is that fruit that you eat that makes everything taste so sweet? Can you repeat?
Mami, ano ba itong may magic fruit siya na tanim din nila eh? Na pag kinain mo yung fruit na yon, lahat na ng kakainin mo na susunod matamis.
Anything you eat?
Matamis, apo.
Is it in a white bowl? I'll get it? Okay. This is the one?
Yes.
Is this the magical fruit? It looks like Jack and the Beanstalk. What is this? I'll only have one? So one of these. The whole, I just eat the whole thing?
Apo. May
Yeah?
buto. May buto. Apo.
May buto?
Apo.
Okay, there's no buto.
Walang buto.
I think I swallowed it.
Mahaba
Okay.
ng buto.
Now, it's in my mouth.
Sigat.
I can almost taste, it tastes like sili, actually. There's a little bit of a kick, no? Okay.
May konti.
So now what do I do?
Ang palaya
Drink the
kaya.
calamansi juice? Ampalaya? One more?
Isa pa?
I'm not driving. So one more of these? Good. Actually, it's very good. My stomach will be okay. Okay. Okay, I'm chewing. Ampalaya.
Palaya.
Okay, which one's ampalaya?
Bitter ang palaya.
That one, okay. Bite this.
Apo.
Ready? Oh my God. It tastes like ampalaya.
Hindi nga, Sir Marty, walang tamis?
It's sweet. It's not bitter.
Ayun. Apo.
And then calamansi.
Calamansi.
It's not, you usually have that ugly face. I mean, more than this. Hey, it's good.
Uy,
Sili, pwede pa?
anong naman? Baka,
Wag? Okay. Beer. I don't even drink beer. This one? It's good. I hate beer. And calamansi?
lemonade, ano yan?
Everything I tried so far is sweet.
Oh.
But there are no sugar. There's no... The sweet fruits of the labor. The fruits of labor of Sarah and her mom. Okay, everything in Sarah's life is probably very, very sweet.
Wow.
But, more than any... Yung pala, I'm allergic to everything I just ate.
Oh, no.
My lips will be as big as my sister. Everything in Sarah's life is scheduled. Everything. She wakes up at 6 in the morning. True?
Pag
There's a schedule.
Depende, opo.
6:15, brush your teeth. Everything is written down. 6:17, make your bed. It's all on a schedule. Sino ginagawa yung schedule mo?
Hindi naman po lahat ng bawat galaw scheduled. Depende. Depende po sa trabaho. Ayan, pag may 6 o'clock ako na call time, usually may shoot ako or taping. Ganon. Pero ngayon, mas maluwag po yung schedule ko kasi nagko-concentrate po ako sa The Voice lang at saka may concert tour kami abroad.
Yes, the one that I'm not in. Yes. I remember we used to have this team before. We sold out many shows, and all of a sudden, Viva has a U.S. tour for her where I'm not included. Talk about bitter. We better do a commercial. Ladies and gentlemen, Sarah Geronimo will be back right after this commercial break. Boss Vic, I love you!